In this video, we'll review 3 devices that any engineer with an interest in the fundamental principles of physics might consider having on their shelf. We'll examine the Crookes radiometer, the Stirling engine, and the Tesla coil. The Stirling engine, invented by Robert Stirling in 1816, is an external combustion engine that converts thermal energy into mechanical work. It operates by expanding and contracting a gas within a cylinder, driven by a temperature difference between 2 chambers. This type of engine is known for its high efficiency and versatility, as it can operate with various heat sources. Its design serves as a good example of how heat can be efficiently converted into work, being relevant both from a historical perspective and in contemporary applications of sustainable energy. The Crookes radiometer was invented in 1873 by the English physicist Sir William Crookes. It consists of a partially evacuated glass bulb containing vanes that spin when exposed to light. The movement is due to the difference in energy absorption between the black and white sides of the vanes. While it was initially thought that the effect was due to light pressure, later studies indicated that the movement results from thermal energy transfer on the surfaces. The Tesla coil, invented by Nikola Tesla in 1891, is a device that generates high voltages and produces visible electrical discharges. It operates based on electromagnetic resonance, where energy stored in a capacitor is released through a primary coil to induce a current in a secondary coil. This device is significant for the study of electricity and electromagnetism, and it has played a role in the development of technologies related to radio and energy transmission. These 3 devices, the Crookes radiometer, the Stirling engine, and the Tesla coil, represent practical examples of fundamental principles in physics and engineering. Having them in a study or work environment can enhance the understanding of concepts like energy conversion, thermal efficiency, and electromagnetism. They are valuable tools for any engineer interested in exploring and demonstrating these phenomena firsthand.